Summer is here and I am thrilled. Hello, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see, today is my intro to my summer project pan. My favorite season of the whole entire year. It is officially summer and I could not be any happier, you guys. This season just brings so much joy to me. I love being outside. I love in the heat. I don't care. I will sweat. I will take 3 showers a day as long as I can be outside and get as much vitamin D as I possibly can, because it really does bring up my spirits. All right, so I have 6 products here. So this season I decided to do 6 products. I would say this was going to be a pretty challenge, but I feel like it's going to be a good challenge for me. I think I can do it so long as I stick to these products the days that I do put on makeup, because you guys know I am always outside. I am in a body of water, but I have been enjoying just wearing my makeup because I am learning how to wear it for the season, if that makes any sense. So I have been really embracing certain things in my routine that I already own, and that way I know that my makeup will last and it doesn't feel super heavy on my skin. So anyway, the whole point of this is to share with you guys the 6 products that I have and the goals that I will be intending to have for these products. So if you're interested to see what products I'm bringing in for the summer season, stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys. So let's start out with the one rollover that I've had for the whole entire year, and that is my Mally Shadow Stick. So we are starting here. We're starting here. I use this on my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line. This is what I have on my lower lash line to kind of smoke out this eye look. And I am going to get as creative as possible to use this up. I might even use this color for some freckles. I don't know. Let's try some freckles this summer. Who knows? But I'm intending on finishing this up. If anything, I think by the end of the summer, I'll get pretty close. I want to use this as a base. I want to use this as a liner, as a waterline. I'm going to do my best to try to incorporate it as many ways as possible to use it up. This is my oldest eyeliner. I love it to death, but it is my second one and I'm ready to move on to something else. So let's finish this one off since Mally is no longer a brand either. Let's go on to a setting spray. So this is the new Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the reformulated one. Urban Decay just sent this over to me. It's the same formula as I've always enjoyed. The only difference is this has more of a stronger fragrance. At least for me, I have a very strong sense of smell, so I could smell it, and every time I spray it, I sneeze. I'm not even joking. I sprayed this on today, I sneezed. I am going to weigh this for you guys since this is opaque and we won't be able to see where we are at. This one is going to be one that weighs because there's no point in me doing videos because you won't see anything. You're going to see the same bottle every single time. So this one's going to be weighed. And from how I'm feeling it, I kind of feel like I am a little under halfway. So I'm hoping by the end of the summer to completely finish this one off. This one is my favorite primer. If I were to choose one primer, it would be this one. This mattifies as well as blurs my pores. I am wearing this today. I only wear it here, my nose, and up on my forehead. That's where I get the oiliest in the summertime. And it truly does control my oils. I have put this to the test with quite a few skin tints that I am wearing this summer and some foundations that have more of a glow, and it really does help out. I do reinforce with certain powders and sprays like this, but this one is my favorite, absolutely my favorite. I already bought a second one when there was a sale, and I believe I bought this for under $20, full bottle. So I'm very happy. I am gonna say we are right here. So as you can see, we're right here. I don't use a lot. That's the thing. I don't use a lot of this. It's a very, very small. It's like a pea size for my whole entire T-zone area. You don't need a lot. It feels like a lotion. So it spreads rather evenly and it goes far. So I don't need a lot. So I don't know how long this will take. This probably will take me all summer, and I'm okay with that because I already have my second one ready to go when I finish this one off. So my goal is to finish this one off. I will weigh it and then we can also watch videos of it. My paint pot, you guys know that I use Painterly all winter long, so now I'm using Laying Low. So Laying Low is what I'm wearing today, and this is where where we are starting out. There is a small, like a very tiny little dip in the center. There isn't much, but I have been encouraged since I did hit pan on my Painterly. I'm hoping to hit pan on this one. This is something that I will be using every single time I wear makeup. The only difference is that I feel like I won't be wearing as much makeup in the summer, so that may be the reason why I don't hit pan on this one. Not necessarily because I can't. It's more of, I gotta use this like at least 60 times to hit pan. That's what it looks like with the other one that I used up. So let's see. That means I gotta wear a good amount of, like at least 20 times makeup each month in order for me to reach that goal. And I don't know if that's gonna be possible, you guys. I don't know, because I love being outside in the water, so I don't know. And then I am excited because I want to bring this in. I haven't brought a concealer in at all. I brought foundations into these kind of project pans, but not a concealer. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was able to set this up on my dresser, and I feel like I only have that much left. I don't know. This is my oldest concealer. I've had this for over 2 years, and it just does not stop. This one is the shade 220, and I feel like it was always my summer shade, but I still used it in the winter time because I would lighten it up with a powder, so it worked out still because it wasn't such an opaque concealer or a heavy concealer. It is one of my favorites. This is definitely up there. If I'm not choosing a MAC concealer, this is the one that I love, and I already bought the correct shade that I should be using. So this one is my oldest one. And since I have seen windowing after leaving it up for this project pan, I feel like I only have that much left. I will take the stopper out. I do take stoppers out of concealers. I do not do it on lip products, but I do on concealers and foundations and that kind of stuff. So I will be taking out the stopper. Yeah, as I'm looking at it, it does look like I'm right here. So I should be done this by the end of the summer. That is my goal, and at least have one concealer done for the year. And I don't think I'll get another one done because all the other ones are practically brand new. This was my last one in my collection, so I replenished all of them, and now I am just finishing this one up. Last but not least, I'm getting adventurous. This is my oldest. Oh, I didn't realize that I had a sharpener over here. This is one of my oldest lip products, and I love this. I remember when I bought it, and I wouldn't stop wearing it. Funny thing is, when I was picking something unique for this project pan, I kept thinking to myself, what am I gonna choose to make it interesting, but still fun at the same time and not overwhelming myself? I really wanted to bring in a lip product, but I've been bringing in a lot of lip glosses and lip liners, so I wanted to bring in a lipstick, and this one jumped out at me for 2 reasons. One, I love the color, and 2, I didn't realize how low I was with it. So this is the color Trust Your Gut. I am wearing it today, but with other products. As you guys know, I just don't wear one. This is more of a cooler toned pink. Not something that I would go for in the summertime, but mixing it in with other products, I definitely can see myself finishing this off. I am not a one and done lip product kind of girl, unless it's a lip gloss or a chapstick. I can get away with that on my eyes, but I'm always like 2. I do 1 all over and then something else. Like I'm always a 2 shadow kind of girl. So with lip products, I'm more like 3 or 4. And today I have this on with 2 MAC lipsticks and 2 lip liners. So that's my combination today. I have 5 different lip products on my lips today. So I think I could finish this off. My point is, this is all that I have left, you guys. This is all that I have left. This is wheeled all the way up. I cannot believe it. When I was looking for something, I had no idea because I just reach for this naturally and I've never put this in a project pan and I've never wanted to pan it. It was just the color that worked with everything from mixing for cooler tones, but a little bit of pink. I'm not a pink lipstick girl, but this color I really do like. And this is all that I have left. And the formula is phenomenal on these. I do have other ones in different colors, but this is the one that I reach for the most. This is Trust Your Gut, just in case you're wondering. So my goal is to finish this off, and I think I can do it. I think I can do it. This like had a lot of product in there, you guys. Like this is super, super all the way down. Like you can't even see the lip product from there. So I have used quite a bit of this. I'm very proud of myself for this, and I would be even more proud when I finish this off. So this is the last product that I'm bringing in. All right, you guys. So these are my 6 products here. I don't think in the first round I will finish anything. It all truly depends on how much makeup I do wear, honestly. So far in the month of June, I've been doing really good. It's been a lot of running around and adjusting, and we've had, like, I have birthday parties to go to. We've had different kinds of events that allow me to wear makeup that I'm not in a body of water. I have yet to go into our pool. We have already gone to the beach this month. So I just am working it. Like I told you, Mr. Man is working a lot this summer. And that kind of helps me to put more makeup on because we're not running around. If he's home more often, that means we're always out at the beach or always out at a lake or out at the pool. I am going to try to be more outdoorsy because we have a garden going and things. So I don't know. I even if I just wear makeup for like half the day, that still counts for me. And I have to put in my mindset that even though I'm not going to wear makeup all day long, that still counts as a use. As long as I get to wear it for a few hours, that counts for me. These are the products I feel like overall I have a good amount of variety. Different ones that I haven't brought in before and ones that will work for me this summer season. So I think I will be successful, at least in the products that I've chosen, because I know that I'll touch these every time I wear my makeup and get some use out of them, even if it's only 15 days that I wore makeup in that month. Alrighty, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.